we have an unboxing today. So I was searching on the RealReal and I saw that there was a pristine Bottega Veneta Jodie in the medium size with its box and dust bag. So this is a actual reaction. I haven't opened it yet, so here we go. I am scared. This is a very, oh my God. Okay, well, this is my first Bottega piece, so I'm very excited. Look at that. It's the green box. I'm very excited, but also scared. Let's see. Let's see it together. So this is it. It says pristine. I've done some duds on RealReal before, so here's hoping that this is, okay, well, okay. So there's incorrect measurement and size. I don't know what that means. A little silica pack, gel pack. Just looking around. What else is in this box? Nothing else. All right. Let's open it up. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. It smells brand new. Oh my gosh, it smells brand new. Oh my gosh. It is new with tags. There's the tag. Oh my goodness. Here's the RealReal UPC code. Wow. This is probably the best thing I've ever gotten on the RealReal. This looks really good. Medium Jodie. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It is exactly as described. It smells good because I've gotten some bags on the RealReal that stank. All right, let's try it out. My first Bottega bag. So I got this for a really good price. It's kind of crazy. I got this for $1,800. So pristine condition, basically new in the box. Box is in great shape too. I'm not sure what, it's a neutral color. New with tags. So this retailed for $3,510. I got it for pretty much half. Yay! My first Bottega. I'm very impressed with it too. It looks great. Like really, really good. Wow, I can't wait to start using this. Wow. Okay, I see what the big fuss is. What a cool color too, right? I love it. All right, thanks for watching. Yeah, so I don't know what my next bag will be. I don't know. I kind of want the Andiamo in small. We'll see. I also like the Madison. But yeah, so this is my first Bottega bag. If you like that, I'm always posting stuff about luxury. I also go to casinos, so please hit that subscribe button. I'm Natasha. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video unboxing. It's going to probably be a while until I get another bag. So I've gotten way too many bags. That's probably a lie too, because I really am eyeing some Dior. And like I said, Bottega too. So I love this. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. Oh, okay. Bye, guys.